Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to download and install Keel software, which we will be using for academic purposes. Here, I have created a folder with a name microcontroller 8051, in which I will store my .exe file. Now open the browser and search Keel for 8051 microcontroller download. Once I click on enter, it will give me this kind of interface. Click on Keel download. After that, it is giving me two options, product downloads and file download. Click on product download. Then again, it is giving me four different options, MDK, ARM, C51, C251, C166. So click on C51. Then we have to fill this form and you have to click on submit button. Now you will be having this type of interface. We have to click on C51v961.exe. Here we have to choose our folder. In my case, it is on desktop. Desktop folder name is a microcontroller 8051. Click on save. It will take some time. The file size is around 105 megabytes. So my file is completed downloaded. Now I will open this folder. Then I will double click on C51v961.exe. It is very simple to install. Just click on yes, then click on next, then enable I agree to all the terms of the setting, then click next. Here we have to fill our details. It will start installing the software. So click on finish. Now close everything, and now you have to just search Keel and you will be getting this Keel. Once you open this Keel tool, you will be having this type of interface. There is already a project, Hello World project. If you start with your own project or own program, you have to close existing project. So close project and you have to start writing your own project here. How to debug assembly program in 8051, that we will learn in next video.